Okay, now let's add dimensions to these two detailed drawings. As you can see, for our scale 1 to 75 dimension, in paper space, so you know you're in paper space if you see this triangle here at the bottom. So you're only drawing in 2 dimension. But if you go here, notice you have that XY coordinate system. There's actually a Z axis. So you're working in 3 dimension. So in paper space, right, if we zoom in and try to measure the distance or the height of this text, that should be about 2 millimeter, which is how much we want our text, if we check our dim style, to print. So if you remember, the text height is at 2. And even if you change the height or the scale, plot scale, it should always stay at 2 millimeter high. As an example here, at scale 1 to 20, if we add the dimension here, linear, okay, oops. So let's say from here to here, okay, at scale 1 to 20, see the height of the text seems to be or looks like it's still the same, right? So if we go to paper space and zoom in and check the distance, and that should still be 2 millimeter high. Okay, so that's what annotative text does. Okay, so here we're going to dimension. Let me go to full screen. Okay, we're going to dimension the length and width of this room. So linear from, say, midpoint to perpendicular. Okay, place that there. Okay, and then now notice this is at scale 1 to 30. And when we add dimension here, so let's maximize. So for this room, so let's say from here to perpendicular, and then do that again from perpendicular to perpendicular. All right, you still see that the dimension or the height of the text is maintained at 2 millimeter high. Okay, so even if the scale is different, if you're using annotative dimensioning, the height of the text and the tick marks and all that are maintained at 2 millimeter. So even if it's at scale 1 to 75, 1 to 20, or 1 to 30.